Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to cut a cape collar necklace using Ankara fabrics. So now I'll fold this into two because it's a small fabric. This is into two already, as you can see. Then the next step here, I'm going to fold this into four like a triangle. This is where I'm going to deduct my main measurement that I'm dealing with. So now, like this, as you can see. So from here, I'm going to determine the neck first. So from this angle, I'm going to measure it down here. Like this. Let me take it as 5.5. Here to 5.5. Here to 5.5. So let me measure the 5.5. Here. Yes, this is 4.5 because I'm dealing with neck 18. And 4.5 into 4, that will make it 18. So like this for the neck 18. So from this neck here, I'm going to measure the length of the cape. This is 10. With the sewing allowance, make it 11. So from here to 11, here to 11. So I'm going to round it like this. Then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it up here too. Then I'll open it. So here is the neck, and this is the length of the cape. So by you opening it, because this is how you're going to sew it. So here is it. And if you don't want your cape to be as long as this, you can deduct your measurement to any length of your choice. So this is the. So you're going to tape the neck, tape here as well, tape the down part here. That will make it a cape necklace. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.